Livermore Tower 05 Bravo departing on 45 back to Byron.
Cessna 05 Bravo, frequency change approval to you.
Thanks, have a great day and appreciate the accommodation there.
Absolutely, I thought it wasn't going to work. I had a jet and a bunch of other stuff going on, and so it's getting a little busy there. But yeah, no worries, if we got you in just fine.
Appreciate it. It's a good Sunday playtime. Appreciate it.
05 Bravo, are you based at Byron?
That's negative. We're at Oakland, but gas is cheap out of Byron.
Yeah, that's just what I was going to ask. I need to go fill up my plane. I was wondering if it was still 390 or whatever it is a gallon.
Yeah, I think it is 390 a gallon. So we're gonna go out there, get some gas, and get back to Oakland because the $8 a gallon kind of hurts.
Yeah, exactly. It's a little cheaper here, but not too much. So yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Thanks so much for your accommodation. Have a great day.
Here. The 380, inform me of your Cessna on site.
Livermore Tower, Diamond Star 787, Papa Victor, 2,500, about 4 miles south, landing with November, request closed traffic.
Diamond Star 787, Papa Victor, Livermore Tower, make right traffic.